All right, I'll go first and I'll let Perrin go after me. So whether Twitch grows massively and gaming live streaming grows massively or not in 2021 depends on COVID-19. And so if there are additional strands of COVID that end up dropping, like the African strand that's immune to vaccines, or other strands that are more deadly or maybe more contagious, if something like that happens in 2021 and the vaccines that are rolling out are ineffective at containing the virus, then we could potentially be looking at a spot where more people become unemployed and therefore more people are streaming and there's more viewership. So unfortunately, the success of the streaming landscape in Twitch is directly proportional to the suffering of human beings with the pandemic. And so those two things, my prediction is those two things will have a direct correlation, but we cannot predict that the virus will get worse at this point. What all the experts are saying is that we are actually probably at the worst point in terms of the virus, and it's only going to get better. So therefore, based on what the experts are saying about the pandemic, we're probably going to see a decline in viewership moving into this point in 2022. Probably a drop of 30 to 40% in terms of viewership from where we are at today. But you're going to see the number of channels streaming on Twitch probably continue to plateau or even increase, which means your odds of growing on Twitch overall will become worse and worse. We also predicted that just chatting would be a category that would dominate moving forward. I think just chatting will move from being a 12% portion of the pie on Twitch up to closer to 20% plus of total viewership on the platform moving forward, with politics really creeping in, podcasts really creeping in, and just general memes, commentary, and entertainment shows being huge and much bigger on Twitch moving forward, kind of taking a page from the book of the TV broadcasters of the past, the late night shows of the past. Those are my big predictions for 2021. Perrin, what are yours?
Mine are similar, so I'll try to be a little bit more nuanced. I think that Twitch will continue to grow in viewership until summer 2021. And I think that summer we will see this peak break. I think Twitch will hit 3 million concurrent viewership at some point before then as a top. So it'll hit a new maximum high. Just for reference, at the end of 2019, it was only at like 1.1 million concurrent viewers. So it will have tripled within less than 2 years, which will be absolutely insane. So, but by then it will go back down. We'll start to see that concurrent viewership decline around that summer. And I think you're going to still see the number of actual creators and number of channels continue to skyrocket up and up and up. The platform is only going to get more competitive. And one of the spaces where it will get more competitive are the non-gaming spaces. Yes, I do think just chatting will grow. I think a lot of those top players and medium-sized players are going to have more competition than they do now. Right now, it's very easy for one player to dominate like the whole political space. On Twitch, you're going to see more competitiveness there. You're going to see more players in that space. So competitiveness will increase. The opportunity for your average streamer will decrease. And the gaming opportunity, I think, is going to be the lowest it's ever been. You're really going to have to bring, the name of the game for 2021 will be, what do you bring to the table that isn't just you playing video games on a computer live? Because that's not new to us anymore. What are you going to give to us that's something different? Because everybody else here that's succeeding is giving us something unique, something entertaining, something valuable that we can really sit and watch and be entertained for a while. So what is that going to be from you? Gaming on the live streaming gaming platform isn't going to be good enough anymore. And so the whole game will be about what is that question mark thing that you figured out that brings your unique value that isn't gaming.
And not just your personality either, not just you thinking you're clever. That's not going to work either. Ross, get us out of here.
Yep, that was fantastic. By the way, you can listen to us all day long. You can say, wow, I know how to grow on Twitch now. I know exactly what I need to do. But unless you actually get out there and do it, it doesn't make a difference. Get out there. Don't be afraid to fail. Use everything we just taught you to your advantage. Use not having an algorithm to your advantage, which is something you're not going to get on any other platform. Get out there and fail and have fun doing it.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.